issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Nacogdoches County in eastern Texas, northeastern Cherokee County in northeastern Texas, southwestern Rusk County in northeastern Texas, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over New Salem, or 16 miles northeast of Rusk, moving west at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rusk, New Salem, Ponta, Sackle, New Summerfield, Cushing, Gallatin, Reclaw, and Glen Fawn. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Cherokee, Nacogdoches, and Rusk.